There is a common belief that true leaders are born, and they are naturally charismatic, influential people destined to make a mark. While we acknowledge that this fact might hold true for some people, we also strongly believe that, with dedicated efforts, it is absolutely possible to cultivate the traits and talents required to become a leader. So, whether you were born with the authoritative abilities of Captain America or not, if you want to be a leader, you have to work hard to develop the characteristics of the greats. Today in this video, we will help you understand what leadership is all about, along with the personality traits one should possess to become a leader. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. So, what do you think leadership is all about? Does it have anything to do with seniority or one's position in a company's hierarchy? If you think yes, then you're on the wrong track of understanding what leadership is. Leadership has nothing to do with titles, management, or one's personal agendas. It's also not restricted to personality traits, such as a better vision or charismatic personality. It's more like a process of social influence, which maximizes the efforts of others towards the achievement of a common goal. It stems from social influence and requires human resources to achieve the intended outcomes. Business is a never-ending game. The only way to succeed is to focus on future growth and how you can get there, and with the help of your human resources. And simply put, leadership is the ability to make that happen. Moving ahead, let's understand the skills that you must hone to become a successful leader. The first skill that you should emphasize is your ability to listen. Listening is an active process, and it's the best way to understand what is happening in an organization. We frequently find ourselves dwelling on some other thoughts while having a conversation. As a result, we miss out on critical information, or even create a negative impression at the communicator's end. So, you must enhance your ability to listen to others. You should develop avenues and channels for voices to be heard, specifically for those who would not otherwise have the guts to speak up. You don't always come across solutions to all problems. Therefore, you must brainstorm and listen to your team to bring something unique with each conversation. Next up on our list is clear communication. Communication and trust go hand in hand. No matter how great your ideology and visions are, they will go in vain if you cannot communicate them to your team correctly with a proper amount of trust and confidence. That is why transparency is considered the foundation of effective communication. A leader should always be open and honest about what is known and unknown. He should also ensure that every listener feels the depth of his vision with the same level of confidence. The third skill is modeling positive behavior. When you do what you say, you generate trust and credibility among the people around you. They will instantly start following and emulating your actions. You can think of this as an element of leading by example. The ability of a leader to inspire others through his course of action is known as role modeling. A leader should also always assist his followers in staying on the path of growth. To do this, we strongly advise that you keep track of your team's performance. You should appreciate those who are doing a good job in order to help them strive for better performance. On the other hand, those that are underperforming should be steered in the right direction. Next up is resilience and selflessness. Resiliency is an important skill in today's fast-paced and extremely competitive business world. This personality trait is defined as an ability to get up faster, to bounce back, and reshape after going through a significant loss or failure. Being a leader, you should be able to remain confident and poised in difficult situations. Allow yourself some leeway in dealing with disappointments. This will help you deal with your failures fast and learn what else you could have done better. Selflessness is also a critical leadership personality trait. A leader never elevates himself above his team. If something does not go right, the leader will always take full responsibility for it. In contrast, if success shows up, he will throw away the credits to his teammates. On that note, can you all mention one of your skills that you think can make you an effective leader? Make sure to drop your answer in the comments section below. Let's see how many of us have what it takes to become a great leader. The last on our list is effective decision making. Leaders, in general, are those who question the status quo. They are incredible visionaries, change savvy, and agile. Every decision they make is not rudimental and risk-free. They take risks, knowing that they'll need to hold themselves accountable if things don't work out. That's why, to become an effective leader, we advise you to develop the skill of quantitative decision-making. Thanks to technology, we can now use data to predict future opportunities and make sound data-driven decisions that can take a business to new levels of success. Being a leader, you should be sincerely enthusiastic and passionate about your decisions and actions to fulfill them. This will encourage your team to work hard towards a common goal with the same level of dedication and enthusiasm. That's all we have for today. I hope this video is helpful to all of you out there, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.